Hey lovelies, do you want to make $100 daily in this 2025 and starting from now, I mean in the month of February or whenever you're going to watch this video? Please, are you tired of that grinding schedules 9 to 12 hours in a day? Please, today I'm going to show you 3 proven ways that I've used and some of the individuals have used just with minimum efforts to make money while seated at home. Am I telling you that it is free? Yes, it is free, but you need focus. You need to sit and budget your time, and you need to sit and even put a target of how much you want. Now that we know $100 might be a bit minimal and a bit okay for you to earn on a daily basis, let's dive in. This video is for you. Please don't touch the dial. Don't miss it. You can even forward it to a friend as we begin. I'll show you 3 proven ways to make passive income with ChatGPT, YouTube affiliate marketing, and even you can go ahead and use videos, YouTube videos for you to make an income. Please, it doesn't need any experience. It only needs you to be focused. It needs you to make up your mind. It needs your positive mindset, and you stick around that idea and you say, I'll make it around this video until the end. Because by the end of the video, I'll show you a step-by-step blueprint to start earning $100 daily in the easiest way possible, and you'll never regret it. And as we dive in, I would love to welcome everybody that has been on Immaculate Show. I would love to say thank you very much for all our royal viewers. Thank you for allowing us to be on your smartphones. Thank you for allowing us to be on your screens. Please, we don't take it for granted, because that is your phone, that is your data, that is your internet, and that is your space. By allowing us, we really are grateful. We didn't take it for granted. And for the new subscribers and the students that have entrusted us with your pockets, and you're like, we want our pockets to be enlarged this 2025, we thank you very much. You will not regret using ChatGPT for automated drop shipping. This is making money while you sleep, you guys. When we are talking about ChatGPT and automated drop shipping, you can go behind and what we talked about. What is ChatGPT? I feel that everybody of us knows. If you've been on the Immaculate Show, you know what ChatGPT is. It's a tool that can do for you any work. Ask it what you want, any question. Then the 2 is drop shipping. Drop shipping, I told you about it. It's that business that you say, I'm going to start my own store. I'm not going to hustle looking for doing inventory. I'm not going to hustle as far as description of the products is concerned, even the delivery. No, what you do is to do this simple thing that I'm going to show you, and the rest is an e-commerce business where you sell products online without ever handling inventory. The supply ships directly to the customer and you keep the profit. How do you start is that the next step, which is the biggest step, that is step by step. You have to find a profitable product. How do you get a profitable product? A profitable product, I advise you to use some sites like AliExpress and Pocket to find trending products. You can even ask ChatGPT. Don't go to hustle. You go and ask ChatGPT and ask it like, can you suggest for me the products that are being demanded highly? For example, on AliExpress or on Amazon, they will bring them for you. Then under this, you are going to set up a free Shopify store. For you to set up a free Shopify store, I want you to sign up for Shopify, use WooCommerce, and create a professional looking store. The third way to do this is to let Al do the work. Use ChatGPT to write products, description, and copy, and even customer emails, saving your hours of work, unlike the ordinary or the traditional way of doing it. Then automate marketing. Run Facebook and TikTok ads, or use free methods like Pinterest and Instagram Reels to get traffic without forgetting Facebook and TikTok. Scale and profit. Once you start making sales, reinvest into ads and scale your business. Why do we call it lazy? Now that's where I will come, because I know some of you are like, it is not lazy. In fact, it is not lazy. The beginning is not lazy. But It is in a way that you never handle an inventory. Al does the hard work, and you can automate most of the process. You don't need to schedule mails. You don't need to schedule posts. You just leave it for Al. And this is how people, the millionaires, have been making money. Please, this is a disclaimer. Whatever you find on the Market Show is free of charge. And if you want to go deep and you want step by step, you want to see more demonstration, you want to go in deep, you want to be a class in progress, like I've seen what comments are saying, you have to make demos, you have to show what you do. Please, if you want to go in deep, you can DM me or you can send me an email and you start an one-on-one class. We have a master class that we have given out to everybody, and this year it is 50% discount. If you want that, if you want in details, you can send to us. And also, I told you before, whatever you find on a Market Show, even on other channels, we'll let it be on a blog, on website, please. It's 1% of the information that you're supposed to grind, you're supposed to digest in. You need to go ahead and check for yourself 99%. Okay, so let's check the second one. The second one is run a faceless YouTube channel. You guys, this is passive income daily. I do sometimes use faceless videos, but now this one, if you really want to be free and you say, I don't want any problem to go on a camera, you have to comb your hair, you have to change this, no, you can decide to run a faceless channel. How do you do it on YouTube? Let's go in the step by step. Why YouTube, you guys? YouTube is one of the easiest ways to make $100 with passive income. The best part is you don't even have to show your face. And why YouTube? YouTube is very easy for you to reach the monetization threshold, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch minutes. It is far better than other platforms. So how do you start? One, you have to pick a niche. For you to pick a niche, you choose the most trending, the most payable, not trending, the most payable niches as far as CPM is concerned. I always tell you the most trending and at the same time payable niches, they can make you love social media and in particular YouTube. But if you go for the highly competitive niches which are not paid, they can make even hate YouTube or social media. So the first niche is finance. We have finance, it is number one. We have taken reviews, we have motivation, or all tools that go that get lots of views. So these ones you should go for this one. Then use ChatGPT for scripts. Instead of spending hours brainstorming on what to write, what to put in, how do you start your hook, what do you do, you can ask ChatGPT, can you give me a hook on this? Can you give me a transcript, a video transcript about this? It will do everything for you in minutes, and you sit down, rewind it, revise it, add add-ons and even subtract, then you make your own video. You can also go ahead and use voiceovers and even stock footages. I've used this. If you go previously, you find like 2 to 3 videos. They have this. I don't have even the voice is from All Tools. So use tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers and Pixels or Storyblocks for videos. No need to film yourself here. The fourth is upload consistently. When I talk about consistently, you can post at least 3 to 4 videos per week if you can do it daily, such that you can grow faster. And on top of growing faster, you can also earn more money when you're already monetized. A person who is posting every day is different from you as posting once in a year. Upload or monetize with ads and affiliate links. How do you do this? Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can make money from YouTube and in different ways, like in affiliate marketing. So why do I call it a lazy way? It's a lazy way because on this one, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to film videos like what I'm doing. In fact, you even don't need to transcript. You don't need to look for images and other things. What you need to know is to use ChatGPT and use these tools like Pixels and others. You find yourself sleeping and money is coming. So let's go to the second one. we are going to the third one. Last but not least is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and laziest way for you to make money while you sleep. For you can get $150, you can get $100 on a daily basis in a long run, not in the beginning, because I know some of you are going to start today when you don't get even $5 or. But Christine, you lied us. No, we didn't lie you, but you always have a foundation. So let's see the third one. What is affiliate marketing? By the way, let me ask you, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn commissions on every sale without creating your own product. How do you start this? Let's see. For you to start this, you have to join affiliate programs. What are these affiliate programs? Affiliate programs, you have to sign up for Amazon Associates. You have to sign up for ClickBank. You can sign up for Digstore24 or Pattern Stack to find a high-paying product. One of these programs you can be already. I recommend them. Then two, you use ChatGPT to write blog posts and emails. Yesterday I had a friend who wants to join affiliate marketing, and she was like, I don't want to write this now. The moment you want to venture into affiliate marketing, you have to either venture into making posts, venture into making blogs, or you venture into making clips like what I'm doing, very short clips. Why? Because you have to market. You have to expand your horizon by showing people, hello, you guys, this product, this powder is so cool. Do you see my face? I don't get pimples and I use it at any time. It gives me a simple skin. Now, the moment you do this, you're doing a product review of this Jonison. You're going to put a link down and people will click. And when they click, okay, how will they do it if you don't do review, if you don't do product reviews, or you don't do posts? So you use ChatGPT to write for you blog posts and emails. Al can generate SEO-friendly blog posts, email sequences, and product reviews in minutes. The third one is post on social media and YouTube. For you to post on social media and YouTube, you can post on TikTok, you can post on Instagram, YouTube, you can promote your affiliate links in different ways. But remember, you have to follow terms and conditions. Not all posting is acceptable. So, but the moment you join the program, you will learn the do's and the don'ts. Then the last one on method 3 is automate with AL and email marketing. Use ConvertKit or GetResponse to set up an email sequence that nurtures leads and sales on autopilot. Why do we call this lady? We call this one a lazy way of earning money while you sleep. Why? You know why? One, you don't need to create any product. You don't need to do any writing. And you don't need, in fact, you do nothing apart from signing up and understanding. Then you get the product you want, put it on social media platforms. Before you put it there, tell Al to generate for you the review, the what as to what you love and what are the features and benefits of the products. You sleep. And as you sleep, the commission comes to your pocket. So this is the best way of earning money in this 2025 while you sleep, and $100 is a must to come on your account. But now the question is, do you get it? How do you get it? For you to get it, you have to be focused. For you to get it in this 2025, you have to learn skills. There is no need for experience, but when you enter, you have to know, what exactly can I use? How can I do it better? You have to learn one way or the other. Which method, you guys, do you think you can use? We have given you 3 methods, but which one can you say, no, I'm going to hold on this one and I do something? I'm using 2 of them and I feel you can use 1, you can use 2, or you can use 3. It's up to you. So if you found this helpful, please, I would love you to hit the like button. Don't forget to give your friends subscribe. Don't forget to share for your friends to know that you can earn money in this era 2025. And also, you can give us what you think in the comment section. Your engagement, you guys, it matters a lot to us. That's where we gain from. Yes. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.